Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're digging into something pretty specific, commercial AV gear. We're looking at the Kramer KAC-SPK-40 Audio Bar, the kind of thing you'd find in a serious meeting room. And, well, the first thing that jumps out, the real aha moment, is actually the price. The source material shows an MSRP of, get this, $1,265.
Yeah, $1,265. That's enterprise pricing.
Right. But the listed price we found, $296. Just wow.
That's a massive drop, almost $1,000 off.
Exactly. And there's even an extra 10% discount code floating around, 10% off.
Okay, so that kind of discount really makes you pause, doesn't it? Our mission today, I think, has to be looking past that sticker price. What is a piece of hardware originally priced like that actually built to do?
Good point. We need to understand the original intent.
Yeah, we're talking about gear meant for demanding situations, big rooms, probably secure environments too, given Kramer's usual market.
Okay, let's start with that scale requirement. The use case seems pretty clear from the specs. It's pitched as a powerful audio solution for medium to large conference spaces. Linking the people in the room with their remote colleagues.
And the way it tackles that scale is interesting. It's more than just your average soundbar. You get stereo speakers, sure, and a subwoofer built in. But the real kicker for coverage seems to be the two satellite microphones.
Satellite mics. How do those work?
Well, they come with these long 6-meter cables, so you can place them strategically around a large table or room. That setup lets it achieve really comprehensive audio pickup. The claim is coverage up to 10 meters, maybe even more.
10 meters plus.
Ah!
Okay, that is serious coverage for a conference room.
Yeah.
But wait, the specs also mention loudness up to 100 dB and a power output of 20 plus 20 watts from 4 speaker units.
Uh-huh.
Isn't 100 dB? I mean, that's like jackhammer loud, isn't it? Seems like overkill for a meeting. Want to just blast everyone out?
Huh. Well, you're probably not going to crank it to 100 dB very often. It's more about having the headroom, the capability. Think about a large room, maybe one with poor acoustics, or dialing into a connection where the other end is really noisy. You need that reserve power.
Okay, headroom makes sense.
And look at the speaker frequency range. 250 hertz to 20 kHz.
250 hertz on the low end.
Exactly. By cutting off everything below 250 hertz, they're deliberately removing that low-end rumble-think air conditioning noise, building vibrations. It focuses the power entirely on the frequency range needed for clear human speech.
So it's about clarity at volume, even if the environment isn't perfect.
Precisely. And ensuring that clarity, both coming in and going out, brings us to the tech inside. This bar has built-in DSP, that's digital signal processing.
DSP, I've heard of that.
Think of it like a mini computer constantly working on the audio. It actively performs echo cancellation and noise reduction in real time, cleans everything up.
And how does it connect? Is it complicated? Doesn't seem like it. The description emphasizes plug and play. You've got USB 2.0, which is, well, basic but reliable.
And USB-C, which is good, plus Bluetooth 5.0.
Yeah, the Bluetooth seems robust too. Supports A2DP, SBC, MPEG-4, AAZ. Covers most bases for wireless connections, whether it's Apple, Android, PC.
Right, maintains quality wirelessly. But here's something that really points back to that original high price point. Compliance and certifications.
Okay, like what?
It's certified for Microsoft Teams rooms and Zoom rooms. That's not trivial. It means deep integration and testing. But even more telling, perhaps, is that it's TAA compliant.
TAA, Trade Agreements Act.
Yep. That often means it's approved for use in U.S. government contracts, defense, high-security settings. It implies certain manufacturing origins and often stringent security and durability standards.
That's a serious credential. Explain the original price tag a bit more.
Absolutely. And they cover deployment, too. Tabletop, obviously, but also wall and TV mounting options. Standard enterprise stuff.
So putting it all together, what we've got here is a system that was clearly designed for pretty demanding professional use. You've got that 10-meter plus microphone range, professional volume headroom, that clever DSP cleaning things up, and these serious certifications like TAA compliance.
A really high-end package feature-wise.
Yeah. And yet we're seeing it at this drastically reduced price that dropped from $1,265 down to $296 plus the extra 10%. It's just really compelling.
And if you were worried about buying something so heavily discounted, maybe thinking it's old stock or something, check out the logistics. The source lists it as new in stock. It includes free USA shipping.
Okay, standard enough.
But get this, it comes with a 7-year Kramer warranty. 7 years.
Wow, 7 years on AV equipment. That's a long time, especially in tech.
It really is. It speaks volumes about the expected build quality and durability.
So maybe a final thought for you to ponder. Considering that TAA compliance, which suggests use in pretty demanding environments, and that incredibly long 7-year warranty, what does that tell us implicitly about the kind of lifespan and sheer toughness expected from AV gear built for these high-stakes business and government communication spaces?
Yeah, it suggests these things are built to last, built to be reliable under pressure for a very, very long time. Makes that current price seem even more remarkable, doesn't it?